Let's see. And Doug Funny and Keith the Pork Chop will own the session. The session. Doug, the session. You get that in now. So we're at August 11th. Right? For this session. This episode. Only on a Nickelodeon.